last a day, and that's it. Oh, lasted more than a day, yeah. You could smell. Hi. That's a bit close up, isn't it? That's a bit scary. Jeez. My God.
This way, you're gonna go in the tree. Ow, 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 ow.
Fine, you don't need to rub in the front. Just have eyes got to rub in the front. Doing the same thing. We're on the tree center.
What are we doing there?
There's only two smart people there, Sam. Me and you, because we're going to be in the cars driving back.
That's right. That's right.
Where's some, you know, lost doors.
Yep.
Hi, Captain. Who's the first mate? Rachel.
Yeah, that's right.
No, I think it's a fucking Esty. It's a good day. Should put it make a lot then.
What? Jesus, Gary. Gary's going to kill himself. Jesus.
That plank stuck under me thong and stabbed me under my foot.
You better walk by there.
I can.
You chose the hard way.
Yeah. You got to put a hole in it before you get in the river.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yep, come on.
Jess, can you go up to the car and grab my keys? I left the keys here. Lock the door, yeah? Take the keys out and just lock it. Don't worry about the windows open, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it's only a little rock pool.
Slippery one.
Yeah, no doubt. Ooh. What's wrong, Jess?
I said everything's all hot, but the water's cold.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
That's the Lilo, so that's Scotty.
Where are those losers?
Yeah. I'm gonna top up with the cats. How is it, Jess? Glad you did it? Good boy. Hey?
Is it?
Yeah. Pit stop.
Pit stop city. I don't want him to see him cheat.
I said, Gary, you're gonna go ass over down here.
You know what? I am. You said it's painful. Oh, it's really bad. What? Been trying.
Are you gonna bolt off?
Yeah. I'd love to chat, but I gotta keep rolling. Don't let the losers catch up. No, mate, Rachel. You'll pick a winning team next time.
Straight down the middle. Doing 360s, Rachel. What's going on? Meet you back at camp. Watch Rob get fogged. We got through, it's all good. Straight in the weeds. The log's next.
Put outside there, eh? Is that a little tactic?
That's a rudder.
Oh, left leg. Out.
Left leg, captain.
Sharp scramble. Hey, look, Sam, you're sucking in again.
I'm still in my own urine.
The sinking sailor.
That's too much info.
The sinking sailor.
This is Gary signing off. Thank you very much.
You're like a celebrity.
Get me out of here.
Get me the fuck out of here. Get me to the pub, there's a band on.
Go with Rob with his scooter.
Push your toes.
Whee! Welcome to Gaz's kitchen.
Hey.
It's a bit criminal, mate. You've gone to these, this expensive convention oven.
Let's give it 10 minutes to start with. We'll run about, probably 210 degrees.
So we have this pizza.
That's Celsius.
It's a frozen pizza, not homemade.
Yes.
Right, so we're just going to check this out. I mean, it's still raw right now.
We've added extra mushrooms though, just to be at the same time.
It's frozen. And we'll check it out in how long? 10 minutes, did you say?
No, 10, maybe 15.
I'd say 20.
I haven't read the box yet.
I think 20.
Inside now. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes and rotating halfway through. Oh, didn't rotate. I'm going to rotate that for fuck's sake. It's convection. Well, forget. I missed the rotating. It won't be happening because I've never done it before. Serve while hot. Caution.
McCain's. McCain's.
Caution.
Done it
It's going to be
again.
very hot when it's ready. And
And got the pizza cutter.
the pizza tray.
Well, you know, there's like 10 of us here, so we all want to slice each, mate. We're going to try it.
Get half, I don't give a fuck.
Righto, that'll do. So we're halfway through cooking this pizza, and I don't know, it's starting to get a bit of colour.
It is.
Yeah, it's getting a bit of colour.
It's a multicultural pizza.
It's a Gaz special. This is the big reveal. Gary's Pizzas.
Yep. VB stubby just to spoil it down, just in case it's a disappointment. You know?
Yeah. We don't want to be disappointed.
No, we definitely don't. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's hot. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Look at that.
Smell it.
McCain's
If
Pizza.
that camera could smell it, began yum, 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 yum. Let's face it.
Oh, I
Anyway.
smell mushrooms.
Yeah, it's got mushrooms on there. I hope this thing will lift it up. Oh, I'm going to get this out of here.
There's a lot of
This is good. This could end in tears.
Yeah, hold the tray.
Don't drop it.
We get it on the tray, so we start, set it down there. And now the trick is to get it off that tray, off that top. So
Smells alright.
it'll go like this. Oh, that's right. Rough. Pull it. I'm going to hold it up like this.
For what?
Pull the
That'll
bottom
be
out.
right, won't it?
Oh,
That's alright.
now we'll have to cut it.
Cut it and give it a big taste test. McCain's Pizza at Doctor's Creek.
It's bloody good, isn't it?
Those things, aren't they?
You get the right angle here. Do the right angle of the dangle.
That's right.
It's like a pizza shop. You've got to make this look bloody nice, don't it? I mean,
Worse than that.
that is just the best. Where to put this? Anyway, who cares? Oh, mate.
Go on, Gary. We're waiting for the big taste test now.
It's going to be good. No weight needed, but it's going to be red hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, look at that. Look underneath. Oh, that is beautiful. I think it's for a pizza shop. It's so nice, mate. I'm telling you, that is the best.
Doctor's Creek Pizza Shop.
Beautiful.
Right, we know where to come for pizza next time.
Excellent.
Gary's Pizza Shop at Doctor's Creek.
Yeah.
I'm going for another swim before we leave today. New Year's Day. Bloody warm. I think the family's already in the water. I'll go and join them.
Or maybe you come the other way around. That. I mean, Elle, just ask family, or should I ask anyone else? Should I ask my kids to go at like agency? I know like if Elle would up to these, but I doubt it. So what do you do Friday? Yeah, she's coming. only because my heels not touching. Yeah, but that's how it is. You can't buy exactly personalised size. You need to have a bit of
You lost your dog, sorry. But if you misbehave, I'm going to trade you for one of them. Can't quite pick it up. This is the Taj Mahal.
Yes. What can I do for you?
I've just come from my therapeutic session.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Come on in.
Sorry, what are your rates?
Well, we've got a discount today being New Year's Day.
Right.
What are you actually after?
You don't do any shitbag specials?
No, but the customer prior to you actually just helped push it.
Hey, we said no more talking about it.
She said, not me.
He's just super lucky. Giveaway, wasn't it? Oh yeah. She'll do a bit of a belly dance for you.